Welcome back, smartphone users. Today, we've got something truly extraordinary to share with you. Feast your eyes on the world's first ever S24 Ultra Orange Special Edition. This device isn't just a smartphone, it's a statement, a revolution in the world of mobile technology. Join me as we dive deep into what makes this device truly special and explore features that many creators often overlook. Let's start with the design. As you can see, the S24 Ultra Orange Special Edition sports a stunning, eye-catching orange color scheme that sets it apart from anything else on the market. But it's not just about aesthetics. The design is also incredibly ergonomic, ensuring a comfortable grip and seamless usability. Now let's talk about the display. This device boasts a state-of-the-art OLED display that delivers breathtaking visuals with unparalleled clarity and vibrancy. Whether you're streaming your favorite content or immersing yourself in the latest mobile games, the S24 Ultra Orange Special Edition provides an unmatched viewing experience. Next up, let's discuss the camera system. While many creators focus solely on megapixels and aperture size, what sets the S24 Ultra Orange Special Edition apart is its advanced AI-driven camera technology. This device utilizes machine learning algorithms to optimize every shot, ensuring stunning results in any lighting conditions. But what about performance? Rest assured, the S24 Ultra Orange Special Edition packs a punch. Powered by the latest processor and cutting-edge technology, this device delivers lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking capabilities. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or tackling productivity tasks, the S24 Ultra Orange Special Edition can handle it all with ease. Now, here's where things get interesting. While many creators focus on the obvious features, some hidden gems in the S24 Ultra Orange Special Edition often go overlooked. For example, did you know that this device comes with built-in security features that go beyond just facial recognition and fingerprint scanning? With advanced encryption technology and real-time threat detection, your data and privacy are always protected. And let's not forget about the software experience. The S24 Ultra Orange Special Edition runs on the latest version of your smartphone operating system, providing a seamless and intuitive user experience. From customizable widgets to innovative gesture controls, every aspect of the software is designed to enhance your productivity and streamline your day-to-day tasks. So there you have it, folks. The S24 Ultra Orange Special Edition isn't just a smartphone, it's a game changer. With its stunning design, advanced camera technology, blazing fast performance, and innovative features, this device sets a new standard for what a smartphone can be. If you're ready to experience the future of mobile technology, then the S24 Ultra Orange Special Edition is the device for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay tuned for more groundbreaking tech reviews and updates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.